Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV and welcome back to another video. This time we're going to be talking about the Apple Watch Series 7. But before I get into the topic, first of all I want to ask a question. What is the first thing you do before you put on your Apple Watch? What is the first thing you do? To me, the first thing is to get a cleaning cloth. I clean it first, make sure the screen looks good, looks clean and shiny because it's a watch, you want it to look clean and shiny. Then I put it on. So that's the first thing I do before I put on my watch. And most of the time, when I put on my watch, it's all clean. I look at the time, I'll be like, oh no, this is not the watch face I want to use. I realize that the watch face that I have on is not what I want to use for the day or for the moment. And what do? I swipe to change the watch face. And as you're swiping, you're bringing again more fingerprints, more smudges. It looks nasty again. And what do? You go back to clean it again and again. So I found out something that will help you guys to avoid fingerprints and smudges over your Apple Watch Series 7. Mostly Series 7. I think also Series 8 also have that feature. But on my Series 5, I haven't seen it. The feature is not available on my Series 5. It's only available probably on Series 6 and 7. The feature is called Assistive Touch. I don't know, probably most of you guys must have heard about it or must have used it, but it's really good. With Assistive Touch, you can control the watch, you can change watch faces, you can get into everything without touching it, just gestures and motion. It's amazing. It works so good. I've seen other companies try these things. Samsung have tried it. Huawei has tried the same feature, the same Assistive Touch, but on Apple Watch, especially on the Series 7, it works like magic. It's amazing. You just use your fingers or your hands. It works so good. So first of all, let me show you guys how to access Assistive Touch. That's the first thing we're going to do. So you get into the watch, get into settings, you scroll down to accessibility, then you scroll down again to Assistive Touch is right here. You make sure to turn it on. And once you turn it on, then we got all the different gestures. We got hands gesture, which you can pinch, and you can double pinch, you can clench, and you can double clench. Those are all the gestures that you can do to control the watch. Now, once you activate it, let me show you how it works. So, once Assistive Touch is turned on, the first thing you can do is to stretch your hands. You double clench to activate it. Then you can pinch once to go to the next, like forward. Pinch again, next. Then if you want to go back to the previous feature, you double pinch. So double pinch, go back. One pinch, go forward. But first you have to extend your hand like this before you do it. I mean, if you put your hand like this, it still works. It works. As you can see right here, it's working. And if you clench 2 times or double clench, you go back. So you activate other menus. And you can also change watch faces. So you can do almost everything by gestures without swiping on the face, especially changing watch faces on Apple Watch. Because when you're doing all this, swipe from left to right or right to left, it leaves a lot of fingerprints and smudges on your screen. And your watch doesn't look good, And especially if you're out there with friends or you're in a good meeting and doing all that, leave a lot of fingerprints on your watch, which to me looks nasty. Because at home, I always have my cleaning cloth. I clean my watch face with it, makes it look good. But out there, I don't have it. I don't have cleaning cloth with me when I'm going out. So Assistive Touch is amazing. So all you have to do is clench 2 times to activate it. So that's the first thing you do. Now, for example, as you can see right now, my watch is normal. And the good thing is Assistive Touch doesn't drain battery. Once you turn it on, it stays like that. Nothing happens. But the only time when it can activate is when you double clench. It's there. Then you pinch once to the next. Pinch 2 times to go back, forward, or next watch face, the previous watch face, Just like that. So I discovered this feature while using my Apple Watch Series 7 for a few days now. I was like, nah, I gotta talk to more people about this. Probably some of you guys know about it already. It's good. But for those who haven't used it yet, it's amazing. The best. On the Apple Watch, it works perfect. I've seen it on Huawei smartwatch, on Samsung watches, but it's not as great as this one on Apple Watch. On Apple Watch, it works perfect and it's amazing. With it, I don't have any fingerprint. I gotta keep my watch clean and shiny. Yeah, and that's all about this video, guys. I just wanted to share this idea with you guys. If you know about it, please let me know down in the comment section. What are your thoughts about Assistive Touch on the Apple Watch? Are you using it? You think it's great? Please let me know down. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. A lot of videos, a lot of good videos coming up on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you to the next one. Peace.